Tajikistan, being a Central Asian country, was an important stop on the ancient Silk Road. And one of the best evidence of this lies 25 kilometers away from the capital, Dushanbe.
This is it, the Hisor Fortress, one of the oldest historical sites in Tajikistan, estimated to be between 2,000 to more than 3,000 years old. Look at this place.
I met up with a Tajik reporter who promised to show me around.
Hello, nice to meet you. I'm Yang.
Hi, I'm Anisha. You're welcome.
Well, 2,000 to 3,000 years is quite a broad estimate, right? So why is it so difficult to pinpoint the specific age of this place?
That's because it has been destroyed and rebuilt so many times by conquerors who have come and gone. The Greeks, the Mongols, the Arabs who reconstructed it in their own way. Perhaps some elements were preserved from the previous version, perhaps not.
That's right, a lot of people have come here. Some historians believe that back in the late 2nd century BC, Chinese imperial envoy Zhang Qian had actually been here during his decade-long mission across Central Asia, trying to initiate transcontinental trade in the Silk Road.
Now that you mentioned the old Silk Road, this is the relic of Caravanserai.
What is Caravanserai?
Come, I will show you.
Okay.
Okay. Come right here. It's a roadside inn where the Silk Road traders and their camels could spend their nights safely.
Wow.
Standing here, it's almost as if you can still hear the faint echo of camel bells from centuries past. Yang Chengxi, CGTN, Hisor, Tajikistan.